Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Instagram. Yes, it's possible. Whether it's a conversation from months or even years ago, this step-by-step guide can help you. So, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive into another tutorial. Before we begin, it's important to remember, this is the only reliable way to recover deleted messages on Instagram. We'll use the platform settings to download the information directly from it. So grab your phone and follow along with me. First, open the Instagram app and click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. On this screen, select the option Download Your Information. Here, you'll see the choice to download or transfer your data. Choose the Instagram profile from which you want to recover deleted messages and click Next. Now, you'll see all the available information for download. Select Only Messages to recover exclusively your conversations. Click Next. After that, click Download on Device. At this step, enter the email address where you want to receive the download link and click Next. Instagram will send a file to the registered email. But attention! With recent updates, you no longer need to open Gmail to download it. You can do it directly from the Instagram app on the same request screen. Before downloading the file, you'll need to enter your Instagram password. Once done, the download will begin automatically. When the download is complete, you can open the file directly through your phone's file manager. Ready? Now you have all your messages recovered directly in the downloaded file. Remember, the file may include other data related to your profile, but you selected only messages to simplify the process. So, did you manage to recover your messages? If everything went well, leave a like to support the channel. If you had any issues, comment below so I can help you. Oh, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video. God bless you. Take care and goodbye.